Hello friends, today I'm going to make a new script. The function of this script is used to create an event from Google Form. So okay, let's get started. I needed to create a Google Form first. I'm gonna name it Google Calendar event. So first is a event title, and this is required, and event description is also required, and one more start time. I'm going to put it here as a date and time, okay, and then one more is end time. So let's check this input time required. Okay, I got as title, description, start time, and end time. So this is basic information will be included in the event. And some settings, I think is in here. Got to collect the email addresses. Response. Okay. Okay, I think all set up. For this form. It's very easy form. So basically, every time the purpose of this script is for every time any user submit this form, the script will add this event to your calendar. Okay. So I just want to submit a new response test from Google Form. Okay, form. This is a test. The date. I'm gonna get it. I'm going to 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm going to submit. Okay. Here I have one response, but I haven't have the script to create the event in my calendar. If I check my calendar, there is nothing there. Okay, so if I check my calendar very quickly, close this one. It should be May 60th. May 60th, nothing there. So let's go to make this script. To make this script, you need to, from this settings here, there is a script editor here. Let's get into the script editor for the Google Form. Name this project Google Form event. Always build this form. Okay. Let's create our first function. Function create event. This will be our main function, I think. So var let's have the calendar. So first create the calendar. Let's use the calendar API, calendar app. So get the default calendar. The default calendar is your main calendar, I think, in your Google account. So I'm going to create the event. So for, I think, calendar create event, I'm going to use this one with options there. So as you can see here, we have title, start time, end time, and some options there. So we are going to define these variables. So for title, for data, to get data. So I will finish this function later, because this data I need to get it from here, right? This response. I'll get the response, all the data in this response, and put it here, put it in this variable data. So in this data, we will have the what title data. This data will be an array. So in the first position, it will be the title, and the start time will be data. The second position for end time, so it's data 2. For options, data 3. Okay, so totally 4 items in the data. So next step, let's create this function, get data function get data. So to access the Google Form response data, we need to use the Form API, Form app, get active form. Yes, active form is this form. Okay. For responses, form get is get all, get what, get responses. Okay, so this is all responses in this form, but I only need to get the latest one. So var response equal to response is length, I think is -1. So this will be the last item in this list. Okay, in this array. So I got the last response in this form. So next thing I get the properties of every items in this response. For first thing is email, I think. Email will be response.get email, get respondent email. Okay, so for title response get item, so I'm going to add a new variable, call it items. The get items responses. Title will be the first one in these items. Get a response. Okay. For start time items, get a response. For end time will be items to get response. For I missed the description. Okay, for description items one get response. Change them to the correct index. And so I'm going to return this array. Last thing is option, I think. Option var options is a JavaScript object. So first parameter is sent invites, make it is true. Description. And one more thing is title. I think I missed one parameter. Let's get this later. So I'm gonna return this return array. First one is title, right? Second one is start time, and the third is end time. Last one is options. So let's look this up. Okay, let's see if everything looks. Try to run this get data function. Permission. Allow. Let's check this log. Try one more time. So I got the title, the start time, end time, and the JavaScript object. Okay, looks good, but we need to handle this time format. It is a string time, so we need to convert this string date format to JavaScript data object. So make a function called format date time. So this is a data. So this is the string date data time format. We need to convert this to a JavaScript data object. So for date time to, let's see the date. That's this one. For date time equals to Okay, so var date time split with a space. The first item in var time date time, got it wrong, split. The second item, so I need to get the year. I think we need to split it again. I think to split it with a hyphen or dash, and split the time with a column, I think. Okay. And var year date 0, var month date var day var what is it? Var time hours, hour, I think is time 0, var minutes time, and then we need to convert this string to an integer, so I'm going to use a parse integer. Parse integer. Parse integer. Parse. And the second, I think it's 0 millisecond 0. So the new date for new date will be new date year month day hour minute second millisecond. Let's log this date. New date. The return new date. Try to run this this function. Let me see. Okay, so Saturday, June 16, 9, Saturday. Oh, I think here I need to -1. -1. May 16. Okay, May 16th. Okay, so now it looks correct now. Correct. So, and I need to format. I need to add the date time here and comment this line. So I need to format the start time, format and format at the end. I think I missed one parameters I want to add in these options. Let's check this Google's document. App scripts create event. Let me find this create event. What option? Oh, okay. I forgot the guest. So let me add this guest to the options. This guest will be email. Okay. Email. So I believe all the settings are set up, and let me try this create the event function to see if the event can be created. Okay, let me run this. Okay, let me see. It's not here. Something wrong. Nine. Let me refresh my calendar. No. Oh, I didn't see here. It's here. Okay, so the time is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and you can see here you will have the title. If I go to the details, you will have the description here, title, description, and the date and your guest. And if I go to if I check the guest calendar, you will see this invitation. This invitation will be sent to the guest. Okay, so and the last thing I need to do is to create a trigger for this created event. So I'm going to create a trigger. Oh, okay. From submit. This is right trigger, and I'd like to do the final test. I'm going to submit a new record. Submit a new response to see if this function works. I'm going to use my Outlook email address. Title. I'm going to name it Outlook. Outlook test. This is an invitation from Outlook. Let's pick a date and time. 17th. This time I'm going to make it I think it's 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. You also can send a copy of this response. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to submit this. Okay, get a response. Let's check my calendar. Okay, as you can see here, I have a calendar. I have a new event was created. It's Outlook test from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And also I got a new invitation from Google. Okay. And I think that's it for today's sharing. I know there must be some issues there, and but for now I think everything will be good, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.